Mamaya tayo mag-jamming. Basketball talk muna tayo. It's about KQ again. Ito na naman, nasa balita na naman si KQ. Noong December, naglabas na tayo ng video niyan. Sabi natin, hindi naalis si KQ Rizal. Pero mauong na naman yung balita, baka nakakuha na naman ng additional offers. No? To put the record straight, dati, interest lang, ngayon offers na. So I think he has more than 2 offers from Japan, an offer from KBL, an offer from NBL Australia, an offer from UAE national team, and yung sa NBA, yung sa Knicks. Pero yun, unconfirmed yun. So, ang daming offers ni KQ. Pero just yesterday, naglabas na naman siya ng statement. He will stay another year in Qatar. So, gumawa na rin tayo ng video before about yung salary scheme sa B-League and sa KBL. So, we'll repost it because I think it's relevant again. And we just want to give you an idea and kayo na mag-judge kung tama ba na mag-explore yung mga college players natin abroad. Hindi na tapusin yung school nila, diretso sila sa abroad instead of the PBA. No? Tama ba? Kasi on one hand, you're talking about school loyalty. No? Maganda yan sa resume, maganda yan tingnan. It's a value that you should treasure, no? Yung loyalty ng player sa school, no? But then again, sabi nga ng iba, hindi mo naman makakain ng loyalty, no? So, there's always 2 sides to a story. So, again, kayo na mag-judge kung tama ba na lumipat yung mga college players natin and seek greener pastures abroad.
As a coach, hindi lang tayo concerned sa mga winning plays, but pati sa safety at well-being ng mga players natin. That's why we only recommend equipment na affordable, effective, at safe para sa kanila.
Pero bakit ba maraming Filipino players ang lumilipat sa Japan? Or gusto maglaro sa Japan? Nasimulan niya ni 30 noong 2021. And ngayon, madami na sila. So in Japan, they're considered as Asian imports, no, as opposed to world imports. So yung Asian imports, they play like a local. Wala silang maximum time sa court. Unlike yung mga foreign imports or yung mga galing NBA, kailangan i-balance yung playing time nila. No? So that's a major difference. So nag-research din kami, magkano ba ang sweldo sa B-League? Bakit ba marami pumupunta? No? Although yung salary details are confidential, we learned na ang starting sa B-League is about $7,000 or 400,000 pesos, no? Depending sa exchange rate. And then, after your first contract, assuming na pumasa ka sa first contract mo, which is I think the trial stage, yung next contract mo will be in the vicinity of $20,000 na a month. So, lampas 1 million yan. And if you stay pa, and maging superstar ka, marami naman tayong mga superstar na Filipinos na nandun ngayon, yung salary mo will skyrocket to 1.5 to as much as 2 million pesos a month. No? Kaya naman very interested ang mga Pinoy dito sa B-League. No? Because if you compare it sa PBA, ang maximum salary lang is 420,000. No? For a veteran maximum. For rookie, salary cap, 200,000 lang. So even if mag-start sila dun sa $7,000, that's still double the amount of the rookie salary cap. No? So maraming upside in playing sa Japan. Especially for mga rookies or mga straight from college. No? In fact, ayun yung mga gusto ng B-League because wala pa sila mga kontrata. Because if you try to get someone from the PBA, you have to wait for them to be free agents or, I don't know, buy out their contract. So maraming legalities involved. But yung mga from college, dediretso ng B-League, na magagaling naman, yan ang mga tina-target ng B-League. And I think si KQ was targeted for that also. Same with Jerome Lastimosa last year, ganun din. I think yung salary niya will be the same din. No? Starting siya sa $7,000 and then going up. Pero he opted to stay in the UAP for another year. Yun na nga, nakita natin. Hindi masyado magandang move kasi na-injure siya. So, yun din yung isang reason why players are transferring early sa B-League because they also want to make sure na they stay healthy. Kasi pag na-injure ka, of course, yung interest sa'yo, bababa. No? Either bababa yung sweldo mo or mawala yung offer kasi nga injured ka or hihintayin pang gumaling ka. So, strike while the iron is hot. Other perks na kaya sila lumilipat, some teams allow na sumunod yung family, parang mga expat, no? Sumusunod yung family. Housing is provided, there's a car, and maraming mga incentives and game bonuses, no? So if you reach the playoff, may bonus. If you win games, may bonus. So yung sinasabi natin na starting na $7,000, marami pang upside yon in terms of incentives and bonuses. No? Malaki talaga yung earning potential when you go to the B-League. No? So na-discuss na natin ang Japan. Discuss naman natin briefly yung Korean League. Although, let's reserve another video for that. No? Kasi marami rin silang kinukuhang mga college players from the Philippines. No? And the latest na nga itong si Miguel Ocson. No? So, he's foregoing his final 2 years of college and moving to Korea. So, nag-research din tayo about Korea. Same lang ba yung salary sa Japan or mas mababa ng konti? So, we found out na mas mababa ng konti kaysa Japan. No? So, if you recall, yung kanina sabi natin, ang Japan, nagsa-start yan ng mga 400,000 and nagpipeak sa 2 million for a star player. Sa Korea, based on our research, it starts 300,000 to 1.2 million. Nagma-max out doon. No, sa Korea, it's a 9-month season. And marami rin tayong mga superstars na Filipino ron. Number 1 na dyan, si Renz Abando, Justin Gutang, SJ Benangel, and si Dave Idelfonso, among others. No? So yung mga yan, mga superstars na, yung mga salary yan, doon na sa may mga peak nung mga sinabi nating amounts kanina. No? So, mataas din yung sweldo, pero mas mataas pa rin sa Japan. Which is the reason siguro why RJ Abarentos, who initially played in Korea, is now playing in Japan. No? So, the reasons why they're there is because they want to provide for their families. Siyempre, most of the time, mga breadwinner yan. No? Yung iba, may mga families na, may mga anak na, may asawa na. Yung iba naman, they provide for their parents and their own families. No? Nagpapaaral sa mga kapatid, etc. etc. So, malaking bagay sa kanilang income na nakuha while playing abroad.